Hello everyone. From the last few classes, we are discussing about the identity and the applications of those identity in various situations. Now, before you start doing this exercise, last exercise of that chapter, you should know all the identities. Then only you can make use of those identities whenever and wherever it is needed. Now, the first question they have given is like this. Use suitable identity to find the products. X plus 4 into X plus 10. So see, X and X are there. So immediately what identity? X plus A into X plus B. So what is X plus A into X plus B? Is equal to X square plus X into A plus B plus AB. So once you can understand this is the identity I can make use, you can very easily find out the product. Therefore, X plus 4 into X plus 10 is equal to X square. In the place of X, only X is the X square plus X. In the place of A, 4 plus 10 plus 4 into 10. So what do you get? X square plus 10 plus 4, 14x plus 4 tens are 40. This is your answer. Now you go to next one. X plus 8 into X minus 10. Only the sign of this B is minus 10. So let us use the same identity. X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus X into A plus B plus AB. So therefore X plus 8 into X minus 10 is equal to, in the place of X, X square plus X. In the place of A, 8. In the place of B, minus 10 plus 8 into minus 10. So what do you get? X square. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Minus 2x minus 8 tens are 80, minus 80. X square minus 2x minus 80. Right? You understood? The product, see here. X square plus 8 minus 10 minus 2x minus 80. Now let us go to the next one. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. It is also the same type. X plus A into X plus B. In the place of B, minus 5 is there. Am I right? So I can make use of the same identity. X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus X into A plus B plus AB. So 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5 is equal to, in the place of X, 3x is there. 3x the whole square plus 3x into, in the place of A, 4 plus, or in the place of B, minus 5. Am I right? Plus 4 into minus 5. So you get 3x square, 9x square plus 3x into 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus into minus is minus, minus 20. So answer is 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Let us go to the last one, fourth one of this code. Y square plus 3 by 2 y square minus 3 by 2. Only two terms, one is plus, one is minus. So what is the identity? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Therefore, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 is equal to y square the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to y to the power of 4 minus 9 by 4. So, this is your final answer. Did you understand? The last question of the first question. 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. How does it look like? A minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. Therefore, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x is equal to 3 square minus 2x the whole square. So what do you get? 9 minus 4x square. So 9 minus 4x square. 9 is 3 square minus 2x the whole square. So 9 minus 4x square. This is your final answer. Let us go to the next second question. Now look at this. 3 different types of questions. Evaluate using identity. 103 into 107. What can I write down 103 into 107 as? I can write down as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. So it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? X square plus x into a plus b plus a. Am I right? So I can write down 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 is equal to 100 square. In the place of 100, x 100 is there. 100 square plus 100 into in the place of a 3 is there. In the place of the 7 is there. 3 plus 7 plus 3 into 7. So you get 100 the whole square is after 1. 2 zeros so 4 zeros plus 3 plus 7 10. 10 into 100 1000 plus 3 sevens are 21. So what do you get? 10,000 plus 1,000. 11,000. 11,021. This is your final answer of this. 103 into 107. 100 square plus 100 into, in the place of b minus 5, in the place of b minus 6. Minus 5 minus 6 plus minus 5 into minus 6. So you get, instead of 100, what do you have to write down? 100, 2 zeros, 4 zeros plus minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Minus 7 into 100 is minus 1100 plus 5, 6, 30. So how can I do? 10,030, right? This is 10,000. 10,030 minus 1,100. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1. So 9,930, right? So 0 minus 0, 3, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 1, so sorry, 9 minus 1, 8, 8,930. 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 8 plus 1, 1 plus 8, 9 plus 1, 10, correct? So 8,930. The next question given is 95 into 96. So you can write down 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6, or 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Correct? What is 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4? It is in the form of a x plus a into x plus b. So in the place of x, what is a? X square plus x into a plus b plus ab. This is your final answer. Therefore, 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4 is equal to 100 square plus 100 into minus 5 minus 4 plus minus 5 into minus 4. So you get, instead of 1, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 9 into 100, minus 900, plus 20. So what do you get? 10,020 minus 900. 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 10 minus 9, 1. So 9,120 is your final answer. Last one, 104 into 96. How can you do 104 into 96? I think I can do 104 into 96 as 104 into 96 as 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. Am I right? So, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So, 100 square minus, therefore 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4 is equal to 100 square minus 4 square. What is 100 square? Instead of 2 zeros, 4 zeros, minus 16. So, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 1, 8, 9, 9,984, right? So, I hope you understood when and where to use what identity. See, here you put is 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6 also. That also correct. You understand? Now, last question of my today's class. Let me, you do the rest of the sums and let me verify it later. Now, first question is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Whenever it is there in that form, you see first your test is whether the first one and the last ones are square numbers. Are they square numbers? Yes. 9x square is also square number, y square is also square number. 9x square is 3x the whole square and this one is y square. So, middle term is also plus. So, a square plus b square. What should be there? 2. A is 3x, b is y. Let us verify and see. 3x the whole square is 9x square plus 2 3s are 6xy plus y square. So, what is our final answer? 3x plus y the whole square. Am I right? Yes, correct. Next, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. First number is also square number, last one is also square number. This is nothing but 2y the whole square, this is 1 square. So, middle term you see, this side is minus. So, minus 2 into a is what? 2y into what is b? 1. Right? So, I write down 2y minus 1 the whole square. If you want, you can write down the identity. Here you can write out a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. See, it is given like that. You have to bring it to this side. Now, x square minus y square by 100. Only when there are two terms, what is that you have to use? It is in the form of a square minus b square. So, it is in the form of x the whole square minus y by 10 the whole square. What is y square by 100 is y by 10 the whole square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, therefore, x square minus y by 10 the whole square is equal to x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. So, this is your final answer. X plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. I hope you understood how to factorize. So, rest of the sums I will do in the next class. Till then, you please try all the type of questions and let us verify it later. So if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.